Hello, grade 7s. I'm not able to be there in person, so I have made a little video to give you a recap and a tutorial on how to make the friendship bracelets. If you aren't finished yours from last time, you'll keep going from where you were. If you need to make a new one, all of the threads are in the white box on the counter that has kind of a flower on the front. Remember, the first step is to measure out a length that wraps around your wrist and then tape the end, little loop, onto your desk, or you can tape it onto your knee if that's an easier surface to work with. Once you have it set up on your desk, you're going to make sure that the short strings are coming down the middle, and the long ones, you'll have one on each side. Now, when I show you the video that comes up next, you'll notice I'm always starting with the green side. So choose one of your colors, and that will be the side you always start with. Here is a quick video of me demonstrating the technique. So you'll start with one side, I always start with green, and lay it on top. Laying it on the desk can help. Grab the other side and you're going to lift through the middle and pull it through. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then slowly tighten them at the same time. So I'll pause and talk. You notice I'm starting with the green one again. So I'm going to take this green thread and I'm going to lift the other end so it's sitting on the table, which ensures that it's going over the gray thread. Then you'll notice that my hand is coming through the loop that the green thread makes. I'm going to pass the gray thread into my hand so I can pull it through, and at the same time I'm pulling the end of the green thread through. So we can watch, they both go through. I try to pull them so they're at the same place, and then I tighten them evenly together, not too tight. I'll start with green again, make my 4, bring the gray one through that loop, pull both ends out, and then tighten them both together. One more example for you. So you'll keep repeating this pattern until you have managed to line the whole length of your string. Now, I know that this can get really frustrating. We're learning something new. It is challenging. It takes perseverance. So remember, if you get frustrated, take a deep breath, pause, maybe watch someone else, see if you can look at how they're doing it, and try again. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? This is the learning process. We're figuring out how to make this pattern work. Just do your best and it'll come. Good luck!